is a nasal pillow mask. They have two soft silicones that fit directly into your nostrils, and they have lightweight headgear. It's good for people who feel claustrophobic with larger masks and those who breathe for nose. Now I'm showing the part of this nasal pillow mask. They have a soft silicone cushion. This is the tube and this is the lightweight headgear, and they have a exhalation port to exhale air. They have a 3 size of nasal pillow mask. This is a medium, small and large. Select correct pillow size based on your nostrils. To change the pillow, just press it one and pull it out, and then select your size and just fix it. Now I am showing how to wear the nasal pillow mask. First, put nasal pillow into your nostrils and stretch the headgear around your head. One step is top of your head and second step is back of your head. Adjust the side straps so the mask is stable without any leakage, and ensure the pillow sits perfectly into your nostril